I'm back, and today we're making some chile rellenos, okay? Chile poblanos. So we have to toast it first. Let's turn on the stove, and we want to put it in for toasting. You can do it with any chili. These are poblanos, or you can do it with the long ones, the green chili long. Well, this is a little bit done. You can put it in a plastic bag when you took it off. Put it there. Okay, all done. You have to put it in a plastic bag for a couple, 5 or 10 minutes and get easy for peeling. Okay, my friends, I came back. So now I peel in the chiles, and now we have to cut it and take off the seeds. Okay, so it's easy to do it. I rinse it. Let me rinse it. There's a lot of seeds there. So now it's done, that one. We're doing the other one. Take off the seeds. Okay. Got it. Rinse it. Okay. Okay, I use this kind of cheese. You can use any kind of cheese, like Mexican cheese or any kind. So just do it like this, because it's a chili poblano. You have to fill it up. Just like that. So now it's done, the chiles. Just cut it a little bit in the top and use only the white stuff. There's one down. Two down. Okay, now we did this, so now you can put the rest, the yellow stuff. Now you can put some little bit salt, maybe, and some little bit pepper. And try to mix it again a little bit. Okay, it's done. Hello my friends, I'm back. So now we have to use the vegetable oil or any kind of oil you need, okay? For do the chiles. Maybe about half a 2 quart or something. A little bit, that's all, I guess. So now we have to do in the chiles. So this is the stuff for the egg. So let's put it there. You have to do this like this. And just put it in the grease. You put it a little bit more, and so you need some more, just put it there. Looks good. It's a little bit brown. Just turn it down to cook the rest. My husband said you don't know nothing but this stuff. You need to cook it real good, especially inside the egg. So. Give it a little bit more. Some places you don't come out good. So the chile rellenos is done, I think. So I'm gonna get it out. Okay, I came back and I'm gonna show you how to do a sauce. Okay, my friends, I came back. So I'm gonna show you guys do the salsa and for the chile rellenos. Okay, so I use a half onion, 1 tomato, 1 garlic, and a little bit cilantro, and 1 teaspoon the caldo de pollo and tomato sauce. So I'm gonna start cutting the stuff. You have to do this in a big little pieces. So I wanna use a knife, but I using my fingers better. That's it. So now I need my stove to do the rest. So I'll come back in a couple minutes. Okay, I'm back. So now we wanna put the vegetables I cut it. Tomato, cilantro, garlic, and onions. For do the sauce. And the same, little bit the same oil that I was cooking the chile relleno. Just leave it there. Don't throw them away because it's with the one you use do the salsa for chile relleno. Okay, so just let it cook a little bit, and it's only a little bit of flavor. A little bit of pepper and some salt. Sprinkle. open the tomato sauce. I'm gonna put the caldo de pollo, a teaspoon. Okay, now put in the tomato sauce. You can use the whole can, or you can use a half, or whatever you want. I put the whole can, the sauce. I hope you got it. I hope you like it. Yes. It's real simple. It's done. So now I'm gonna serve it's like this. Right there. Okay, my friends, is done my chili rellenos. So I see you on next video. Bye. Thank you.